Hello everyone. Today we will study about one of the important topic of your writing section, that is letter writing. And today we will talk about letter to editor. Uh, the letter to editor are a written way of communication to a newspaper, magazine, or any other regularly printed publication. And in these letter to editors, you can take a position for or against an issue, or simply informing about an issue, or a combination of both. They can convince readers by using facts and datas, relevant causes and consequences of an issue, and they explain what the letter is about. So we will talk about the format of letter to editor. Basically, we will talk about letter to editor, and these letters are also written to a mayor, police commissioner, or a municipal officer, etc. We will talk about the letter to editor format. Format is very important. Mm, at the top, you write sender's address, and the sent address will be given in the question on extreme left. Then you will give one line gap, you will write date, and then again you will give one line gap. Then comes receiver's address. That example is given to you, the editor, for example the Hindustan Times, New Delhi. You will use 3 lines to write receiver's address, and you will use 2 lines to write sender's address. After receiver's address, you give one line gap. Then comes salutation, sir or madam. And then after salutation, there is no need to give any gap. After salutation, you give one line gap, and then comes subject. Subject will be brief as possible, and relevant. You talk about why the letter is being written. After subject comes, after salutation comes body. Body will be divided in, this is the most important part of the letter to editor, and your body will be divided in 3 parts. Number 1 will be introduction. You introduce your topic, you talk about the problem or the issue about which you would like to explain. Then comes the main body, second part. You further elaborate your topic. You talk about the reason, uh, causes, consequences of the issue. And then comes the last part, that is conclusion. In this part, you once again make an appeal to the concerning authorities to take a quick and prompt action so that the situation can be controlled. And then comes complimentary closing. You write thanking you, yours sincerely. And then comes signatory, that is you put the signature, and you simply write down the name which is given in the question in running hand. You will not put any signature, you simply write the name in running hand and whatever the name is given in the question. And then comes designation at the last, at the bottom, if designation is given. It is optional. So I hope the format is clear to you. This is what the letter to editor is. It is an important question. It will be an 8-mark question. And 2 plus 3 plus 3 will be the bifurcation. 2 marks will be for format, 3 will be for content, and 3 will be for expression. Thank you.